Good Morning Texas Home and Wealth, sponsored by Rodney Anderson with Supreme Lending.
A new year, which means a new you and new beginnings. So now is the time to get your finances in order and start over fresh. With us today is our mortgage expert, Rodney Anderson, with some predictions for the new year. Now, Rodney, in the past, you have really just nailed it with your predictions, and that's why I'm going to ask you, first of all, do you think home values will rise this year?
Yes, in the DFW Metroplex, I look for home values to rise somewhere between 5 to 6%. Now, that's still a big rise. It's not quite the rise that we've seen over the last several years, but here's what I will tell you. Let's say you own a $400,000 house and your value goes up 5%. You're talking about $20,000 in a year. You divide that by 12, you made $1,666 by doing that. Now, some neighborhoods will even go up more. Some neighborhoods will not go down, but they'll go up a little bit less in the numbers. Maybe it's 2 to 3%. But I look for real estate to be a great investment. There's a lot of buyers out there. There's a lot of competition out there.
All right, home values are rising. That is Rodney's prediction. Let's talk about interest rates for 2016. What are you thinking there?
Yeah, I think interest rates on 30-year fixed-rate mortgages will stay somewhere between 4 to 5%. I'm not looking for 6.5s or 7s this year. Good. I think the Federal Reserve has definitely made its point. It's definitely going to raise interest rates, but I think that mortgage rates in general will stay somewhere in that area. But also, a lot of it, there needs to be an asterisk next to it that says what kind of credit score do you have, what type of loan. But on a traditional 30-year fixed, I predict rates to stay between 4 to 5 all year.
Okay. Good market in DFW in 2015. Let's talk a little bit about the purchasing market for 2016.
Yeah, we're going to see a sequel to the movie. Last year, I called it Housing Crazy. And this year, it's going to be Housing Crazy 2. Now, this sequel will probably be better than the ones in the movie theaters a lot of times. But it is going to be where you need to be pre-approved up front. You are going to have competition, especially in the spring. You're going to have major competition out there. Again, people will probably be overbidding on some of these homes. Yeah, you'll see a lot less negotiation again. It's been a great time, October, November, December, to buy homes. I would go buy a home right away if you can, because I look for the spring and summer to be housing crazy too.
I know we talk about refinancing. Do you think the refinancing market will be just as strong?
Yeah, I think a lot of people, values have continued to go up, so we've gotten lucky here. We've been able to take out loans to remove PMI from our mortgage. We've been able to do a lot of cash outs. I mean, Shannon, every single month I have like 60 to 80 people apply for a cash out refinance. So what it's going to do is the refinance market is going to stay strong for people to get out of debt. They're going to do home improvements, and we're going to see the values of homes continue to rise, but we're going to see the refinance market continue to stay strong like it's been the last several years.
Real quick, Rodney, what do you want to tell anyone who is thinking about purchasing a home or refinancing? Most important thing for 2016?
Get approved up front. Make sure that a lender has looked at your income, your assets, your credit. Getting a loan is a lot more difficult than it was back in 2005, 2006. So if you're in that market, make sure you get pre-approved up front. Know your credit score and know what's best for your situation.
All right, Rodney, thank you so much. Great information as well as some great predictions for 2016. For more information or to take advantage of a mortgage, whether it's for purchasing or refinancing, call Rodney at 1-800-EXPRESS or log on to RodneyAnderson.com.